Merry Christmas, boys.
Merry Christmas.
Are you ready to come get presents?
Yeah.
Wait, wait.
Meaty.
Okay, well. I already opened them.
No.
Please let him go.
Alright, ready? Set.
Go!
Go! Look at all the presents, Nico. Okay, wait, Kaden. First of all, how do you know whose present that is?
That's mine. It says Peter. Mommy and
Wait a minute.
from Mommy and Daddy.
Come check this out, Kaden. Kaden.
Thank you.
Now let's open.
Wait. Look at Brennan. Copper. Is that neat, Brennan? He's like, holy cow, I'm standing up. And not at mommy's feet.
Just watch his feet with
This
Should have put his boots on.
Wait a minute.
is
Uh-oh.
He's playing with them.
Did they...
What?
Are the cookies gone?
Not those cookies. For Santa. And the carrots and milk.
All cookies are gone.
What about the ones for Santa? Brennan. Look.
Where's the sweet?
I don't know.
The mom changed the change it to a horse.
Changed to a horse?
Hey, Brennan.
The cookies are gone. Look.
And the carrot.
Cool.
Racing.
Well, wait a minute.
Why?
Did we write that?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Kaden, Nicolay, and Brennan. Oh, we're sweet.
Nico.
Uh,